Today, the Bell system is conducting a service test in Chicago. In addition to testing amps with a heavier load, the Chicago test will provide information on service needs and calling habits. This first cellular system will also help us evaluate system operations, confirming that equipment and control software interact properly. Thus, through the use of the small cell concept and complex solid-state circuitry, and with the total integration of computer control, the Bell system's advanced mobile phone service makes the best use of the recently allocated frequency band. Using and building on existing technology, the AMP system is tailored to the needs of the public. A service such as this will truly be a mobile extension of the nationwide network.